80 kilometers from the temple town of Trimbak, the Nashik rural police have barricaded roads and is likely to detain Bhumta Brigade Chief Trupti Desai and 150 women activists who want to enter the sanctum sanctorum of the famous Shiv Trimbakeshwar temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlings in the country, and women are not allowed to enter the inner chambers. The demand follows similar protests at the Shani Shingnapur temple earlier this year and also coincides today with the occasion of Mahashivratri and of course on the eve of Women's Day.
मुझे नहीं लगता कि पुलिस बीच में डिटेन करेगी, क्योंकि मेरी मुख्यमंत्री जी से विनती है, आप गृह मंत्री भी हैं, अगर डिटेन करते हैं तो ये संविधान का अपमान होगा। कल इंटरनेशनल वुमेन डे है, ये महिलाओं का अपमान होगा और इसके पूरे जिम्मेदार जो है वो सीएम रहेंगे। 250 से 300 महिलाएं जो वो नासिक से सभी जगह से आकर हम आंदोलन कर रहे हैं।
We will be going across to Tejas Mehta to give us a sense of what is the situation on the ground now. This happening about 80 kilometers from the temple town of Trimbak, where the Nashik rural police have barricaded roads and may even detain the Bhumta Brigade Chief Trupti Desai and of course even 150 women activists who want to enter the sanctum sanctorum of the famous Shiv temple there. Tejas Mehta now joining us for more on this story. Tejas, what's the update from the ground?
Well, we are just now on the Pune-Nashik highway, about 80 kilometers from the temple town of Trimbak and about 50 kilometers from Nashik city itself. And this is the border area between the districts of Nashik and Ahmednagar. And this is exactly where you can see a large number of police who have all been stationed there for the past many hours waiting for Trupti Desai, the chief of the Bhumata Brigade, and about 100 to 150 of her activists. About 125 police officials are here checking, almost every car which they suspect would be carrying Trupti Desai or the others. Remember, they want to slip through the entire cordon of police officials here, but this has largely been barricaded. One by one, they are looking at cars and then letting them pass, and they will be coming from this direction any time now. The police have said they should be coming in about 15 minutes time right at this location. So they want to go all the way to the town of Trimbak. That is where the Trimbakeshwar temple is there. It's dedicated to Lord Shiva and one of the 12 Jyotirlings in the country itself. Now, what they are really opposing is that women should be allowed to ride inside the temple itself. But what authorities and officials at the temple say is that women are not allowed in the sanctum sanctorum because the vibes and vibrations and rays which come because of the linga there are not really good for women's health. So that's the reason why they're not allowed, and Trupti Desai and the Bhumata Brigade have been opposing this and fighting for their rights. Remember, they were also at Shani Shingnapur not long ago. In fact, there is some movement really happening here, so we are expecting some sort of we're expecting Trupti Desai to be anytime here itself, but we'll really update the situation once they are here. But they will be certainly stopped by the police and detained here.